Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, wind in your hair, music blasting, when suddenly your engine starts sputtering. You pull over, pop the hood, and realize your engine is coated in grime and grease. It's time to give your trusty vehicle the TLC it deserves. Discover the best way to clean your car engine and ensure it runs smoothly for miles to come. Your car's engine is the heart of its performance, but it's often neglected when it comes to regular maintenance. Over time, dirt, grease, and debris can accumulate, leading to decreased efficiency and potential damage. Cleaning your car engine isn't just about aesthetics. It's about preserving its longevity and ensuring optimal performance. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the best practices for cleaning your car engine from preparation to execution. The solution: 1. Preparation. Before diving into the cleaning process, it's crucial to take necessary precautions. Start by disconnecting the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Cover sensitive components such as the alternator, distributor, and air intake with plastic bags or aluminum foil to prevent water damage. 2. Choosing the right products. When it comes to cleaning your car engine, not all products are created equal. Opt for a degreaser specifically designed for engines, as it's formulated to cut through grease and grime without causing damage. Additionally, have a soft bristled brush and a hose ready for scrubbing and rinsing. 3. Application. Begin by spraying the degreaser generously onto the engine, ensuring thorough coverage. Allow it to penetrate for a few minutes to break down the dirt and oil buildup. Then, using the brush, gently scrub the engine, paying close attention to heavily soiled areas. 4. Rinsing. Once you've scrubbed the engine, it's time to rinse away the grime. Use a hose with a gentle spray nozzle to avoid excessive water pressure, which could force water into sensitive components. Take care not to direct water directly at electrical connections or the air intake. 5. Drying and inspection. After rinsing, allow the engine to air dry completely before reconnecting the battery. Once dry, remove the protective coverings from sensitive components and conduct a thorough inspection. Look for any signs of damage or wear that may require further attention. Your car engine works tirelessly to keep you moving forward, so why not return the favor? Subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on car maintenance and share this guide with fellow enthusiasts. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content and keep your engine purring like a kitten. Remember, a clean engine is a happy engine. Don't wait until your engine starts acting up. Take proactive steps to keep it in top condition. With the right approach to cleaning and maintenance, you can enjoy smooth rides and worry-free travels for years to come.